get right off the bat and climb some naughty ones?
Let's practice a little bit.
A few moments later.
You go that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's up, guys? We out in the woods exploring today. Me and KG. Ooh, that's a hill. Oh my lord. That's kind of sketchy.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah, probably not a lot of wheelies today, but a lot of exploring. Someone's gonna fall.
Not me. Not me. I ain't hitting it. I'm going backwards, boys. I'm going backwards. I'm so long.
Little jumps everywhere. This is why you need a SURRON, guys. It's too fun. Let's go. Okay, then. Yeah, it is. That's a hill. Think you got it? You'd have to take an outside lane. Now you gotta hit it. Oh, see, you made that look easy.
My test dummy. It wasn't the outside line, it needed to be a middle line.
I've been in eco mode this whole time. Okay, what is this? Take the middle lane, don't fuck it. Yeah, I'd say so.
Like, this is the top.
Oh, this is fire.
It obviously goes up in front of me.
I want to climb this.
You want to climb some shit? I'll take this shit.
Damn, that's a crazy view. Someone burn this.
God, you're so strong, so ruthless, aren't you?
A flat deck, and then they drop down to the road.
That was steep. Yeah. Oh. Sheesh. Oh,
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
I about goofed. Oh my goodness. That's a steep one.
Yeah, it is, bro. Bro, the GoPro just doesn't do justice.
Nah, maybe if like I sat on that tree and got a video.
Nah, even then it doesn't, bro. The 360 does, but GoPro just don't show depth. You got it.
Me? I don't know.
Oh no.
I sent the first one. Shit.
I don't know about it. Bad start.
Pedal.
Pedal.
Oh God, that means I gotta go. That means I gotta go. Fuck. Oh God. Oh, let's see this.
Stick to the far side.
We got it! There he goes. Whoop. That was a steep one. This is my house, bro. Good old log cabin. Looks like a drinking hole. Good thing I went this side.
Good move there, bud.
Ooh, that's a rut. Ooh, I don't know how I made that one. Bruh, you can do it. Bro, they got so many fireplaces back here.
Oh, there's a fireplace right there.
They just want you to have fires back here.
Yeah, we're trying to get the place burned down.
Confirmed Class D forest fire.
Let's go. I hope the camera shows how steep this is. Ooh, that was about bad. These leaves make it slicker than dog snit. First wheelie of the day. Ooh, don't jump that. Oh, don't do that either. I don't know if this is a good idea following this guy.
The hill we said would be hard to climb with the bump.
What, are you trying to climb it?
I don't know, what do you think?
I'll try it. That was easy.
More skill than I think. Where's that go?
I don't know. Woo! I'm going till it stops. Woo! Duck.
Big. And they're tight.
That's what she said.
Oh, here we go. Oh, there's mud. Whoa! This is exactly why you should buy a SURRON, guys. So you can do whatever you want, except for stuff you can't do. Uh-oh. You can do it! Oh!
Yeah, I wanted to climb when we first came in.
We can go down it?
It goes off the side. Yeah, we're going down it.
Okay, let's see if I don't slide out. That was not a good start. That's not a good one. Oh yay, I love this part. Going back for a water break.